5 Easy Ways to Make Money Online for Beginners. Welcome to Freedom Wallet, your guide to achieving financial freedom online. In today's video, we're diving into 5 simple yet effective ways you can start making money online as a complete beginner. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or create a steady income stream, these methods are beginner-friendly and require little to no upfront investment. Let's get started. Way 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has become one of the prime online jobs significantly developing via digital world. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer services based on skills you already have or can easily learn. Popular categories include writing, graphic design, social media management, and virtual assistants. Don't worry if you're a total newbie. Many freelancers start with simple gigs like data entry or proofreading. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and build a steady client base. Way 2. Online surveys and microtasks. While these won't make you rich, they're a quick and easy way to earn a few extra dollars in your spare time. Platforms like Swagbucks, Taluna, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you for completing surveys, watching videos, or performing small tasks. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to dip their toes into making money online. Way 3. Selling digital products. Third, if you enjoy creating, consider designing and selling digital goods like printable, eBooks, or templates. Websites like Etsy and Gumroad make it simple to set up a store and start earning passive income. For instance, Canva makes it incredibly easy to design items like budget planners, resumes, or Instagram templates, products that are always in demand. Way 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank offer affiliate programs you can join. You can share links through a blog, YouTube channel, or even your social media profiles. This is a great way to make money as you build your audience. Way 5. Teaching or tutoring online. Lastly, if you're skilled in a particular subject, you can teach others through platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or VIP Kid. From academic tutoring to teaching skills like cooking, coding, or photography, the possibilities are endless. You can pre-record courses for passive income or teach live sessions for higher rates. Interestingly, these fundamental 5 easy ways to start making money online as a beginner — freelancing, online surveys, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and teaching online — will bring dynamic changes to your life. Each of these methods is accessible, flexible, and can be scaled as you gain experience. Be organized, do consistently, and ensure your quality way of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Freedom Wallet for more tips and strategies to grow your online income. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.